or articles that provided a lot of information about trampolines, the good and the bad. We know that our task is asking us to decide if trampoline parks should, right up here, stay open or close down. So we read through the text, we have annotated the text using positives and negatives, plus and minus signs, and we've added this information in our own words to our matrix. So now we're here, the final step, where we have to think about our big ideas. Those are going to be the main ideas where we will write each of our body paragraphs to support. So let's start here with staying open. You've probably already created this matrix. If you follow the directions, you have this done, and hopefully you have your big ideas. You're just going to listen and take a look at our completed matrix that we do now together and make any adjustments to yours if necessary. So when we look here in source 1, we saw a lot about basically having fun. We saw some safety measures, but I know that I've seen that word fun repeated. It's fun in source 3. I think we even had it here in source 2. We mentioned that. So for the first big idea, I'm just going to write that keyword fun because I know I've read it in all 3 sources. Now for my second big idea, it talks a lot about little skill to work out, toning your muscles, improving posture and balance, coordination, healthier lungs. This all kind of relates to your health and exercise. So my next big idea is going to be exercise and reminding myself that it's good for your body. Now, we like to have between 2 to 3 big ideas. I think there's one more thing here that we could include. They talked a lot about the different safety measures that they've taken. They have those padded coverings. There are like monitors who are watching. So for our big idea number 3, I'm going to put safety measures. Now we need to move down here and think about our big ideas that support that trampoline parks should probably be closed down. Well, when we go back here to source 1, we learned a lot about like germs and sweat and stink and no socks, borrowing socks, it's cleaned at the end of the day. So I think for my first big idea, I might write the word unsanitary, which kind of means gross. The next big idea, when I look here, I know that it talks a lot about injuries and the different dangers that are involved. So for my second big idea, I'm just going to write the word dangerous. And for my third big idea, I know that they mention that these different safety measures are being put in place in trampoline parks, and that's why they should stay open. However, if I'm going to write for the other side, don't they mention that, yeah, but there may be safety measures put in place, but it doesn't mean that they're working. People don't follow the rules. People are constantly falling off of trampolines. So my third one might be, rules not enforced or followed. All right, so now we have to make up our minds. When we meet again on Monday, we will decide if we believe that trampoline parks should stay open or should close down. Then we can fill out this last section here of our matrix that will support our opinion. Great job this week.